The market has been rallying non-stop against my directional bias, and it just breached my defensive line. But this small account challenge refuses to die. We are live on XSP. The spot price just hit 754, putting my short strike literally in the money. With exactly 21 days left to expiration, this is the ultimate mechanical crossroad. In professional options trading, you don't panic when you're breached, and you don't wait for a miracle. I managed the position at 21 days to expiration to completely eliminate gamma risk entirely. Let's look at the data, because on this channel, we analyze the math. In episode 1, we risked $100 on a tight 1-point wide vertical credit spread and collected a $15 premium. The market immediately tested us. So, in episode 2, we dynamically adjusted. We rolled out in time, widened the spread to 2 points, and extracted another $44 from the market while adjusting our defensive posture. Fast forward to today. The market is testing my 754 level again. This is where options trading shows its true utility. When price moves aggressively against your direction, you aren't trapped. You have the technical tools to manipulate the contracts, re-engineer the risk, and defend your capital. To push my strikes higher and still collect a net credit, the mechanics require me to expand the defensive shield. I rolled out to the 50-day July cycle, widened the spread to 3 points to rebalance my buying power requirements, and locked in the 765 and 768 strikes. The order is officially working in the system. Here's the bottom line. I bought myself 50 days of time and pushed my short strike 11 points higher, pocketing a $21 gross credit on the move. Total cash extracted from the market across this entire cycle is now $81, while my risk profile adjusted to a 3-point wide spread. By establishing these new contracts, I'm sitting on a 0.10 delta, while the position captures a positive theta of 0.19, meaning time decay is actively working in my favor every single day. This is standard mechanical risk management. The trade is now locked in for the July expiration cycle. In this game, we don't predict the next move. We manage the current risk. No matter what the market throws at us next, the mechanics are already in place. While my XSP position is locked in for the July expiration cycle using strict mechanical risk management, Monday, I am officially launching a brand new portfolio series focused on the ultimate cash flow strategy, the wheel.